This machine is equipped with high-precision spindles for stable saw blade rotation. The gas liquid damping mechanism ensures uniform feeding speed and smooth movement. It features simple operation, reliable performance, advanced technology, and easy maintenance. With the imported digital magnetic grid system, the cutting lengths and dimensions are automatically displayed, providing high repeated positioning accuracy and convenient operation. The cutter adopts carbide-tipped saw blades, enabling fast cutting speed, high productivity, and high machining precision. The two saw heads can work either independently or simultaneously to meet various production requirements.